So today I am going to discuss about the long day's journey into night as a tragedy or a modern tragedy. Next slide. So the long day's journey into night is a semi-autobiographical play written by Eugene O'Neill. The full name of Eugene O'Neill is Eugene Gladstone O'Neill. The drama was written in 1939 to 1941 and published in 1956. Long Day's Journey into Night has four acts, and for this work, O'Neill won Pulitzer Prize in 1957. Next. So, the genre of this drama, many critics have argued whether Longest Journey into Night is a tragedy or not. So, the basic clue about tragedy is the branches of drama that treat in a serious and dignified style the sorrowful or terrible event encountered or caused by a heroic individual. This is basic element of tragedy. Uh, but next we see the definition of tragedy. Next. According to Aristotle, tragedy is an imitation of an action that is serious, complete, and of a certain magnitude in the language, embellished with each kind of artistic ornament, the several kinds being found in separate parts of the play in the form of action, not of narrative, through pity and fear, effecting the proper purgation, catharsis of these and similar emotions. So, this is a definition given by Aristotle. Aristotle said that tragedy is an imitation of action, and it is a serious and complete. And we must include here that tragedy is performed rather than narrated. Next slide. These are some characteristic of a tragedy given by Aristotle. Tragedy is mimetic. It is a serious. It tells full story of an appropriate length. It contains rhyme and harmony. Rhythm and harmony occur in a different combination in different parts of tragedy. It assumes feeling of pity and fear and then pursue this feeling through catharsis. These are some characteristic of tragedy. Next. Uh, what if we talk about long day's journey into night is a modern tragedy or not? So first we have to understand what is modern tragedy. Modern tragedy refers to the tragedies that were written and performed from the 20th century. This tragedy redefines the genre with ordinary protagonists, multiple plots, and realistic timeline and setting. Next. The important thing about tragedy is hamartia. Hamartia is a concept used by Aristotle to describe tragedy. Hamartia is the fall of a nobleman caused by some excess or mistake in behavior. It is also known as a tragic flaw. In the drama, we can see that James Tyron is the dominant member and a central figure in the play, or a tragic protagonist of the play. James Tyron, James Tyron Samartia is Miss Reliance. As a young man, he has the potential to become one of the greatest Shakespearean actors of his day. He wants to become a rich person and this is misreal mis realness. He purchased the production right to a certain romantic melodrama and action, which ruined his career. James Samarsha arises from the pattern of ambivalence, which is present in the drama. Yes, James sees the ambivalence in the others. He does not at first realize that he too shares the pattern. He don't know that the ambivalence is also described in his character. Because of this lack of recognition, he also fails to realize the extent to which the other suffers. Throughout the day on which the play occurs, James is repeatedly bombarded with proofs of his error in judgment. We can see the example of Mary's increasing drug use. He was addicted to morphine, and then Jamie's alcoholism and Edmund's consumption. Yeah, these are the example which we can see error of judgment. Next. So the question is, long day's journey into night is a tragedy or not? So according to all characteristic and the definition of tragedy, we can see that a long day's journey into night is a tragedy. This drama would have to be considered as a tragedy because of the characters and the ending. Uh, this play have features of tragedy. We can see in a drama that a family that has a lot of loss, tragic characters with fatal flaws, moments of realization, and tragic ending. If we talk about the end of the play, we come to know that there is a missing of ending scene, and the crucial element of any literary work is a, protagonist. This is very important point for any work. So the entire Tyrant family could be considered as a protagonist. The drama has a, lacking element of tragic ending. We don't know what will eventually become of Edmund and the others. If we know that this drama is semi autobiographical work. So in the real life, O'Neill was recovered from the disease, but in the drama, we can't know that what was the end of the drama, and the play. At the end of the play is hopelessness with the sentence by Tyron, "Pass me that bottle." With this sentence, the drama was ended. Next. Uh, a long day's journey into night is also called modern tragedy because it has four tragic characters and struggling with their fatal flaw, which will ultimately be their downfall. And the ending does not give a hint as to what the resolution for the characters might be. So we can say that this drama is also called modern tragedy. Next. These are my references, and thank you.